Yeah, hey, this is Todd Wilson from HMC Industries. I'm here with Rob with the Easy Rider Garage. How's it going, Rob?
Great day today. Looks like it's going to be a good show in Sacramento.
Hey, man, we're in Sacramento at the Convention Center for the Easy Rider Show. We're working on this 52 Harley. What is that?
That's an Easy Rider replica bike built in 1987 by Bill Blair and Jammer Cycles to take it out on the rodeo show and put on a show at the Easy Rider rodeos with a limo scene and the bikes, and the limo guy would go by and shoot at them, but the guys would jump on the bikes and chase them down. And it was a lot of fun, and the bikes haven't run in 10 or 15 years, something like that.
Is that
so
right?
What we're doing is we're going through them, and we want to get them to run. And today we're going to put the transmission back in. We took it out at the last show. In Austin, we're going to be putting an ignition and carburetor on it. And then in Charlotte, we're going to put some tires on. We're going to use that brand new tire machine.
Going to get it rolling.
We're going to get it fucking fixed up. We're going to get it fixed up today so I can use it.
Nice.
And that's what we're doing. So that's the show.
So we're working on one of our lifts over here is the new HMC SWT 3070.
This is going to be my favorite because I work out of trays. I like my trays and everything, but this has all the attachments. It's got all the lockdown holes. It won't be long at all. You'll be having jigs that you can put on here for certain things you're doing on your bike or welding, and it's just a great idea. Why didn't somebody think of it 20 years ago? Because you can't clamp nothing to the regular tables. Now you got to have a regular lift. When I finally started using the lift, my knees got better. Before I was the ground guy, and I always had carpet laying around so I could put myself on the carpet. But once I got a lift, I can't go back.
Hey, Rob, that's awesome, man. And you know what? We at HMC Industries and Shop Tools Outlet, we really appreciate all the work you do to make the Easy Rider shows such a great success. And you're a great guy, man.
You make my life easier by lifting motorcycles for me.
All right. Hey, thanks a lot.
I am pretty tough.
He is tough. Hey, come on out to all these Easy Rider shows. This is the second show of the 2019 tour. We got Austin, Texas next weekend, and Charlotte, North Carolina.
So it's final.
So hope to see y'all out there. Thanks a lot. Out.